Good day, Craig. Daryl here, Fasco Automotive. And here's the beast on the run test stand. Big block Chev, 49 cubic inches. And yeah, maybe we've been playing with it for quite a while now. Did some carburetor recalibration adjustment, ignition recurving, and is setting up the timing curve on it. Got that all sorted out. And going through the general ranges of the engine, oil pressure, vacuum, temperatures, checking for leaks, all the good stuff, mate, before we box her up and send it across the big pond. We'll let her up for you here. That serpentine drive kit. Took the V-drive off, went serpentine drive. Beautiful setup, mate. Really gorgeous. And yeah, turned out very well. So play with her for a little bit more and get her off the stand, get her ready to box up and get her down to you. She's a hydraulic roller cam engine, as you know. And got a big arm in it, pretty big cubic inches. These motors love to rev, man. Yeah, they climb very quick, man. That'll throw you in the back seat, mate. That Cadillac up and running. Except for God in you, man. Yeah, sweet as a nut. Shut her down, and there you go. Fires up like a caddy. Shuts down like a shot dog. Just the way we like it. All right, mate. Cheers.